विद्यालय से बड़ा कोई मंदिर नहीं, शिक्षक से बड़ा कोई शिल्पकार नहीं, शिक्षा से बड़ा कोई धर्म नहीं, और कलम से बड़ा कोई रिस्पेक्टेड श्री कुश जी, रिस्पेक्टेड श्री नरेश बाबू, रिस्पेक्टेड श्री अनुज बाबू, respected Sri Pankaj Babu, and all aspirants present in this program. As you know, today we are celebrating 130th birth anniversary of Sarvapalli Dr. Radhakrishnan. You know, Sarvapalli Dr. Radhakrishnan was born on 5 September 1888 in Tiruchirappalli, in a village Tarutani. He got his early education in his village Tarutani, and later he got higher education in various universities in India and abroad. He was a great philosopher. He was a renowned philosopher, not only in India, but the whole world know him. He became first vice president 2 times, from 1952 to 1962, 2 terms, and again he became president of India from 1962 to 1967. Once in 1962, his friends were celebrating his birthday, and that day, Dr. Radhakrishnan told them that if his birthday will be celebrated as a Teacher's Day, then he will be very, very happy. And since then, means 1962, whole India began to celebrate his birthday as a Teacher's Day. Aspirants, on this important day, first of all, I would like to salute my mother, who was my first teacher in my life. As you know, I tell always in class that your mother is first teacher in your life. My mother taught me how to move. My mother taught me how to food. My mother taught me how to wear clothes. My mother taught me how to speak. So my mother is my first teacher in my life. I salute 100 times to my mother. As friends, I was born in a village named Suguri in Guntur block. I went to a school, primary school, took admission in class 1, and my first formal teacher was Lalaji, belongs to caste family. I salute him. He is not alive. He is not alive in this world today now. But I salute him 100 times that he taught me Takahara and counting. He is my first formal teacher. I salute him on this day. And later so many teachers came in my life who made my career, and due to them, whatever I am before you. As friends, I always tell you about Malala Yousafzai and Kailash Satyarthi. Malala Yousafzai belongs to Pakistan. She is a girl of only 18 or 19 years. As you know, in 2014, Malala Yousafzai and Kailash Satyarthi both were awarded by Nobel Prize for peace. They are working for child. They are working for children. Especially Malala Yousafzai is working for girls' education, and Kailash Satyarthi is working for children. His campaign, the name of his campaign is Bachpan Bachao Andolan. Kailash Sarathy ji came 2 times in Nevada with his program. I met him both times, and again I met him in Delhi in his program Bal Sansad. I feeling very proud of myself that I came in contact of that great personality, Kailash Sarathy. One quotation that is very important of Malala Yousafzai. I always tell in class among you that one teacher, one child, one book and one pen can change the world. Really, it is real. In a school, my friends, in a school, the 4 things are present. Here teacher is present. Yes. Here child is present. Here book is present. Here pen is present. So a school has capacity to change the world, to change the society, change the country, change the state. And finally, time is not enough, and other teachers have to give a speech. Finally, I request to teachers, not in the state, all teachers, that नकारा पत्थरों की भी किस्मत समझ सकती है, नकारा पत्थरों की भी किस्मत समझ सकती है, बशर्ते कि उन्हें तरीके से करा सकते। थैंक्स।
आदरणीय नरेश सर, दोस्त सब, आज